Types of countertops that not only increase the value of your home but are also very stylish. Are you looking to remodel your Hayward home? Whether you want to upgrade the kitchen or update the bathroom, finding the right construction contractor is essential. At Construction Remodeling in Bay Area, we offer free estimates so that you can get an idea of what the project will cost before committing to anything. Keep reading to find out why getting a free estimate is worth your time. The most obvious benefit of getting a free estimate for your home remodeling project is that it's free. You don't have to pay for the cost of having someone come over and give an assessment of what needs to be done. This allows you to plan ahead and budget accordingly. Additionally, with a free estimate, you don't have to worry about any hidden costs or fees down the line. Having a professional come over and assess your space is also beneficial because they are able to provide expert advice on how best to make your vision come true. They can also identify any potential problems that may arise during the renovation process. This allows you to plan accordingly and make sure that everything goes as smoothly as possible. Finally, getting a free estimate gives you peace of mind knowing that all aspects of your project have been taken into consideration. A professional can provide an accurate timeline so that you know exactly when each phase should be completed, as well as when construction will officially begin and end. This helps ensure there are no surprises along the way. At Construction Remodeling in Bay Area, we believe in providing quality services at competitive prices, which is why we offer free estimates for our Hayward home remodeling services. We understand how overwhelming it can be when taking on a construction project. However, with our help, we can make sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish. So if you're thinking about renovating your Hayward home, let us give you a free estimate today. Thanks for watching.